Yo, 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 what it do, peeps? Jay Got coming at you with a food review. Now, I've seen the Cenat commercial about the McChicken Big Mac. I was like, wait, is this real? Wait, hold on, it is real. So I go look at the app, and yes, in fact, it is real. So I had to go get it so I could try it out with y'all. I was going to eat one on my own, but I said, why not just go and record it just in case y'all are thinking like, I wonder how that is. Is it real? Is it this? Is it that? And here it is. Also, McDonald's lemonade, sweet tea. Ooh. Damn, that good. But anyway, I'm going to just go ahead and get right into it, okay? Enough talking. Now, this is my first time even looking at it. Let me see what we got, y'all. Is that chicken? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I see it. You see it. You see it. Now, hold on. Damn, this thing is messy. You see it? Whoa. Damn. I'm going to go ahead and dive right in. I'm about to dive in. My bad. What? Wait. Why does this taste like two huge chicken nuggets? Which is a good thing. What the hell? I love chicken nuggets. I didn't know it was going to be two big chicken nugget patties. I thought it was going to be like the regular McChicken. But hold on. I don't know why this makes me give off a serious face, but I gotta focus. So I gotta be able to taste everything. So we got the two nugget patties, pickles, special sauce, lettuce, buns. Damn, them two extra large chicken nuggets is crazy. What the hell? Damn. Hey, if y'all don't go get you one, god damn. If y'all talking about, this thing is good. I think I like it better than the Big Mac. I don't gotta get nuggets. I can get it. I'm out, y'all. Hold it down.